Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance. So if you also want to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Binance application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged into your account. Also make sure your identity verification is completed. If your identity verification is not completed, you'll not be able to get the address. Unfortunately, I'll not be able to get the address since my identity verification has not been completed, but I'll guide you through what to do. Once you open Binance application, what you have to do is tap on the Binance icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. What you have to do is tap on the deposit option that you can see right over here. Now you'll have to choose the currency. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for USDT. Simply tap on it. Now you'll have to choose the network. Simply tap on the network of your choice. Note that only supported networks on Binance platform are shown. If you deposit via another network, your assets may be lost. So simply tap on the network of your choice. After that, you'll be able to see the deposit address over here. Since my identity verification has not been completed, I'm not being able to see the address, but you'll be able to see your address. Simply copy it. After that, what you have to do is go to the Bitget application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged into your account. Also make sure your identity verification has been completed. Once Bitget application is open, what you have to do is look at bottom. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the options like home, markets, trade, futures, and assets. All you have to do is tap on the assets option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Look at top. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for overview, spot, futures, earn, etc. What you have to do is tap on the spot option. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the spot value over here. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for add funds, withdraw, and transfer. All you have to do is tap on the withdraw option that you can see at middle. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to select the crypto. Simply select USDT. You can see the option for USDT over here. If you do not find the option, you can also search for it. Now you'll have to select the withdrawal type. You can see two options over here, on-chain withdrawal, internal transfer. What you have to do is tap on the first option, that is on-chain withdrawal. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here, withdrawal network has already been selected. What you have to do is enter the withdrawal address. Simply paste the address that you'd copied earlier. After that, you'll also have to enter the withdrawal amount. Simply tap right over here, enter the amount. Also read the reminder that you can see right over here. It's basically about the maximum withdrawal amount and minimum withdrawal amount. You can also see the policies regarding KYC verification over here, so make sure to read it very properly. At bottom left corner, you'll also be able to see the credited amount. Now what you have to do is tap on the withdraw option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you'll be led to another interface. Now simply follow through the prompts, complete the transaction, and you'll be able to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance. So that is how you transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.